Hey, what's going on, guys? Eradication here, and welcome back to another brand new video. And as you can probably see right in front of me, right here, I have the Maono A04. Now, this is a very good podcasting and recording microphone, which I will be reviewing today. And let me tell you, I was very impressed. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. We start with quite a simple box when unboxing the podcasting microphone kit provided by Maono. It has some simple sliders at the bottom which we can easily open, and once we do that we take a look inside the box. Everything is organized quite nicely, and Maono first of all gives us this little sponge to put on the top of our microphone. Next up, right there we can see a pop filter with quite a sturdy stand. The net is quite high quality, and I really like how they've given it for such a cheap price. It is very flexible and the rod can be adjusted in many ways. We can then take out this other copy of the carbon. Next up we have our shock mount to actually place our microphone inside of. This can be mounted to our boom arm. Stay around for the setup. I will tell you exactly how to set this mic up. Next up we have the table clamp, which can very easily hold on to any table. My table is a bit of a weird one, but then this stayed onto that also quite nicely. Then we receive our cable. It is a simple USB-B to USB-A cable. I quite like that they've given us a USB-B cable because it will stay on our microphone quit pretty nicely, and USB-A will go into our PC. Then we have the boom arm. This arm is the heart of this microphone. This will connect to your table as well as to your mic, and it is very flexible. It has many hinges and can be moved around in a ton of different directions. Then we have the microphone itself wrapped in plastic. When we take it out, this gives you an extremely premium feeling. I have never had a microphone such premium before. I think it's just the matte black color that gives it this feeling. Underneath we have a USB-B cable which we can connect, and above it we have the simple mesh. This mesh is also black color, and the Maono logo and the matte black body of the microphone makes it look very premium and very good. So that was it for the unboxing of this ultimate podcasting and recording microphone. Now let us head into how to set up this. If you're enjoying the video, do hit that like button, and if you want to see more, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. Also, if you want to check this mic out for yourself, I will leave a link to it in the description below, so make sure you click that link and go and check out this mic for yourself. Now, talking about how to set up this mic, it is very easy to set it up. We will start up with the table clamp. Take the table clamp and put it on the table. Use the steel long rod in order to turn it enough for your table to fit in. This will depend from table to table. Once you've got your clamp in, and make sure that it is extremely sturdy, because this is the only thing that will keep your mic on the table. Next we will install the boom arm. It is very easy to do so. Take the arm with the black edge, put it inside the table clamp's hole, and then just screw it in using the knob given, and that is your boom arm installed. Next we will install our shock resistant mic holder. This will go on the other end of the boom arm where you have this golden foil. Take the shock arm, put it in like I've shown. Rotate it until it is in very firmly. Next up we will install our mic itself. Hold these two clips like I've shown on the shock resistant arm, and then put your mic in. It may require some force, so don't hesitate to put that in. Once your mic is in, simply take the foam, put it on it, and you're good to go. Now, talking about how this mic does, I would say this mic does brilliantly. You can probably hear my voice in here. It is very good. I will give you the audio samples in just a second. But talking about the mic, it is very high quality. The arm is very good. The pop filter works very nicely. The table clamp, you shouldn't have a problem with it. It fits on very nicely, and it will just stay there. This mic handles bass very nicely. It has a very good bit rate, very good rate of recording your audio. So all in all, this is an amazing mic for 2,500 to 3,000 rupees, and I would definitely be ready to pay even 5,000 rupees for the quality that this mic offers. Now let us just go on and look at the audio samples of this mic. Hey, what's going on, guys? Eradication here, and welcome back to another brand new video. So this was an intro that I just did on the Maono mic. You can probably see the audio quality, and you can also see me speaking to the mic, so you can see where I'm speaking from, how I'm speaking. You have to be as close as possible to this mic. You have to be as close as possible to the Maono logo that they've given right there. If you go away like I'm doing, so if you go away, you go away, you go away, you go away, then as you can see, the audio quality decreases and the volume also decreases. So since this is a mic with a pop filter, you need to be as close as you possibly can to the pop filter. If I go over to the side, then you can also see the audio quality decreasing. If I go to the other side, again audio quality is decreasing. If I go up, then you probably won't be able to hear me as good as. But when you speak through the pop filter, perfect. It is very good in the audio quality. And this was an audio sample from the Maono A04. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Make sure to hit that like button before you leave. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that red subscribe button. Let me know what you thought about this video and this mic in the comments below. I will leave a link to this mic of Amazon in the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. This has been Eradication signing off, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.